Hey everyone, welcome back to the May Review Team, where we dive deep into the latest digital tools that help you create, grow, and profit online. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share, especially for those of you who love publishing puzzle books or are looking for a new income stream from Amazon KDP, Etsy, or your own online store. We're talking about a brand new tool called Word Fill-In Profit Machine. And trust me, this one's going to make puzzle creation a whole lot easier. Before we jump into the live demo, make sure you click the link below in the description to check out our full in-depth review and grab some exclusive publishing bonuses waiting just for you. These bonuses are designed to help you get faster results, so don't miss out. Go ahead and click it now and then come right back to see this tool in action. So, what exactly is Word Fill-In Profit Machine? Well, it's a powerful puzzle generator that lets you create word fill-in books, also known as fill-in crosswords, in just a few simple steps. Normally, making these puzzles by hand can take hours of formatting and editing, but this tool does it all for you automatically. It lets you upload your own list of words or use the built-in collection of 1,000 ready-made words. Then it instantly builds high-quality puzzle pages that are ready to publish, print-ready and professionally formatted. In other words, this is your shortcut to producing original puzzle books that you can sell on Amazon KDP, Etsy, or anywhere you want, without needing any design skills at all. All right, let's take a closer look inside and see how the Word Fill-In Profit Machine actually works. I'll walk you through the full process, from uploading your word list all the way to downloading your completed puzzle pages, so you can see exactly how fast and easy it is to create your own puzzle books using this tool. Let's jump right into the demo.
Do you have a word list and want to turn it into a word fill-in book that generates passive income? Just enter your words directly into the tool, and the system will automatically arrange them into a precise puzzle grid within seconds. No more struggling to come up with words or wasting hours on manual alignment. With this feature, you can easily publish unique, personalized word fill-in books, ready to build sustainable income on KDP. Do you want to create puzzles with the right size for your word fill-in book? Simply pick from the available options, and the tool will automatically apply the book and grid size you need. You have full control over the puzzle's level of detail through the number of cells on the grid. With this feature, you can publish print-ready, professional books tailored to different audiences. Don't have a word list but still want to create puzzles right away? The tool provides a basic word library with 1,000 words randomly selected from a database of over 30,000 words. You can also edit the puzzle grid directly to customize it as you like, and if words overlap, the system will instantly notify you. This feature saves you time while still giving you high-quality puzzles that you can flexibly adjust to your needs. Need files ready to print and publish directly on KDP? After generating a puzzle, just one click lets you download a 2K high resolution, perfect for printing or any other use. The word list is also neatly arranged by character count. Everything is ready, just drop it into a tool like Canva and turn it into a book for sale. Now you can confidently publish professional puzzle books without any extra steps.
Pretty awesome, right? As you just saw, creating professional quality word fill-in puzzles takes only a few clicks, and the results are absolutely stunning. If you're ready to turn these puzzles into profit, make sure you click the link in the description to check out our complete review page and grab your exclusive publishing bonuses before the offer ends. This is the perfect time to build your next KDP or Etsy income stream, and Word Fill-In Profit Machine makes it super simple to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next review. See you in the next video, and happy publishing!